What's going on, guys? All right, so we got a really fun one behind us. So behind us is Anton's Jeep. Him and Chris brought it down, and typical Jeep frame stuff that you guys see me do on the channel. But the issue that we're running into with this one is somebody tried to hide a lot of the frame repair. Now, the passenger side has actually been repaired pretty well. Let me grab a light. Passenger side has actually been repaired halfway decently. It's rare that you see somebody that actually did some good patchwork on it, but they did do some pretty good patchwork on it, so we're cool. But passenger side, you see somebody hacked the shit out of it, right? Bad. This one doesn't have to be directly in your face.
I like that.
Yeah, it's nice. But yeah, this one, so it's got the typical Jeep shit. It's literally just cracked on the bottom. The whole bottom of the frame is pretty much tweaked. And then this side, here's where the interesting shit rolls around. This whole side was fucking bondoed. Somebody literally welded it and did a halfway decent job welding it, but decided to bondo it to try to hide what was going on. But yeah, what do you guys think?
Sick. I think I would have done the same.
I don't know. It's
I would have used JB Weld. That's more my style.
The freaking Prelude out there, somebody did the same thing. Welded the crap out of it. The welds look like shit, and they bondoed it, and it looked halfway decent, but this, I mean, like...
I've never even heard of that.
Yeah, it was all welded right in here, which looks halfway decent. I mean, it's not terrible. But what we're going to do is we're literally just going to plate, because this whole section needs to be replaced, so we're not going to bother trying to fix it, like, super permanent. So we're going to plate it from here to here. Then we're also going to run a little bit of a plate from here to here, and then on the back side we're going to do the same thing and try to tie all of it together so that it stays in one spot. And then eventually down the road, Anton said he's going to fix the rest of it.
It's going to come back to Justin. He's going to do it right.
Yeah. If not this whole section right here, we'll do the entire frame section, which will really help. He's ready. Alrighty, sir, so what do you think?
Hey, if it works, it works.
Yeah. Now normally we don't do this kind of crazy like patchwork, but this thing eventually is going to come back and we're going to get all this out of here and we're going to put a whole new piece in it. But for right now, we basically tied the good part of the frame here into the control arm mount, back into the frame up front to kind of equal out all the stress because the bottom is shot. And then we did the same thing on the inside. The low light on this camera is sick. And we tied the lower control arm into the upper frame, then we tied the upper control arm mount into the upper frame, back into the lower control arm mount again. So everything is sturdy. It's definitely not pretty, but it'll work.
It'll get it done.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna get it done.
Sick.
Yeah, it won't break. It'll probably break somewhere else.
Time to go back in the woods.
Yeah. Or maybe you shouldn't.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, guys, another one for the books. It'll be back for full frame sections, and we'll make sure we do it right. So, I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it's typical stuff, but it's what we do. It happens over and over again. Each one of them's got something new, something cool. So I hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a good night. Oh yeah, and like, comment, subscribe. Please, like to hit 10,000 by the end of the year. We're getting close.
Yeah.